Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to link one document into another document for us who are doing lesson plans and we don't want to write all that stuff, but we do want to give everybody the opportunity to read the whole plan if they just can't remember how to spell Mabel. Is it M-A-B-L-E or M-A-B-E-L, or what chart are we supposed to use, or whatever we forget, we can just click quickly onto the link. So you're going to go to your Google Drive, and actually let me back out of here just so you could see how I get to the Google Drive. Well, actually, if you just go to Chrome to go get on the internet, wherever you are, like if you're Googling, you will see the apps over in the corner. You click on the apps, and that will get you to our Google Drive. And then you click on the Drive icon. Now, you have your drive that only you can see, drives that you've shared with other people, and then the two-person icon is the drive shared with me. Okay? That's the place where you're going to find all the stuff we've shared with each other. Your top people that you frequent will be on the top, and then you're going to find the kindergarten virtual folder. If you're watching this, you probably don't have as much going on. It'll probably be the first thing coming up. Here we go. And then somebody organized this. Thank you. Shout out to whoever that was. It's so easy now. So I'm going to go to lesson plans. I'm going to go to September 28th. Okay. And I want to link the full phonics lessons. Shout out to the phonics team. I went ahead and put this in a Google Doc. If you type these in a Google Doc, it'll be easier to link than actual Word. So docs are just like Word. It even kind of looks like the Word icon. But go to Drive and type it in there, and then you'll be able to do this. That goes for anybody. All right. And copy of the lesson plan is right here. I'm going to click on the lesson plan, and I'm going to show you how to link a link inside a document. Okay, so if you guys don't like where I put it, you can fix it. But I'm just doing this to show. So here's phonics. I want to put the full lesson plan link right here. So what I'm going to do is go to the full lesson plan, which I think I already pulled it up. No, I closed it so I could show you guys. Yay! Okay, I'm going to go to the full lesson plan by going back to Docs, back to our drive, excuse me, clicking on the full lesson plan and opening that up too. So here's it all written out. Day 1. I'm going to go up to the URL. I'm going to highlight the whole thing, right click, and copy. Now I'm going to go back to the lesson plan up at the top. See if I can let y'all see that. Good. September 28th lesson plan. I'm going to go back to the lesson plan. And right here on all of our tools, there is a chain or a link. This is how you insert a link into anything in the Google Drive. It could be slides, it could be docs, anywhere you are, you can make a link like this. Click on link, and it's going to ask you to paste the link in where it says link, where it's highlighted. Paste the link in and click apply. Whoops. I'm glad I made a mistake though, so you guys could see. I'm going to start over because I don't want this big URL address in here. So what I'm going to do is go to edit the pen, and then I'm going to go to text, which is what I meant to do in the first place. And I can make this text say whatever I want. But the link, when you click on it, the link will still be connected. So I'm going to say phonics full lesson plan. And now I'm going to apply. Mistakes are how we learn. And then when you click on this, it should take you to the full lesson plan. Click on full lesson plan. Ta-da! You have linked one document into another. Okay, see y'all tomorrow. Hope this helps.